the biggest asset that any college can have is not the artifacts like the building, the architecture, not even the professors. It is the students. And this college, IILM, has got one of the best students. I've had the privilege of interacting with them. They are enthusiastic, they are energetic, they are aware, and they do take a stand on various issues. And I think that's a quality that is brag-worthy, that is a quality that will give the college brownie points.
We were at the IILM University today to conduct a workshop on D&I, and I must say that the last 6 hours just whizzed by. The energy, the enthusiasm with which the students of this wonderful institution responded to us, participated, I think it's been one of the most enriching experiences for us as the D&I team of Axis Bank. We've learned a lot from them, and their perspective has been an eye-opener for me. It gives me a window to the world of the young people of this country today. And I thank IILM for inviting us, giving this opportunity, and I hope that the students have got a real good return on investment for the time that they've spent with us.